So first you need to know if you want to see if the person muted you on the chat or if the person muted you on status. If you want to see on status, you just need to post iStatus every day. Then you need to see if the person see your status. If you post just once and the person doesn't see, you don't have much data to know if the person muted you, okay? But if you posted, for example, for a week and a person did not see any status, probably this person muted you. Now, if you want to see if the person muted you on chat, blocked you, you can send a message to this person and you can see this arrow right here. If you have just one arrow, probably the person blocked you, but you need to check some things before. You need to check your internet connection, okay? If you have connection to send a message, you need to check if that person have connection, because if you send a message and the person doesn't have connection, will just appear one error. So if you check these two things and send a message to this person, and you can see just one error, probably this person blocked you, okay? And you can see the photo of the person. If the person has no photo, probably the person blocked you.